Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Light Path. I am Ashad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. Topic is man and machine. One of the greatest inventions of all time is wheel. With more and more inventions and more super fast technology, supersonic fast robotic machines, humans beings are becoming worthless and are being laid off. A single machine may replace thousand humans, but not a single human can ever replace a single machine. Example of global downsizing, shutdown, lockdown. Take an example of past time when thousand people were working in a farmland. Later, they started using tractors and other machines, because of which layoffs started happening. And when comes super fast technology, and more people were being laid off the job, perhaps they only need 10 people. Then what about those 990 people will do, and what education they need to get jobs? These 990 people were good customers to many businesses file on the job, and now they are not. Same way, other businesses started using super fast technology and had laid off many employees who were customers to many other businesses as well, but not anymore. Although you are seeing other new technologies are coming into market, but later slowing down since they calculated for total population and thinking that everyone has money to in their backyards. But in reality, they don't have, since they have lost their jobs. Later, industries started shutting down, followed by banks and governments as well. Superfast technology is extremely good for humanity if those leftover laid off employees are put onto new projects to support themselves and their families, which is only possible if we work globally. Students must have debt-free education. Extreme poverty is the breeding ground for terrorists, and criminal masterminds can use them. Globally, we can fix many things, but locally, I'm sorry. We are children of Adam and Eve, and we are global brothers and global sisters of a global family. Allah never destroys any good nation. Do not turn out people from their homes. Saving a life is like save whole world. There is no compulsion in religion. Global world is facing a global economic disasters and needs a global revolution. It is not the wealth, gold, silver, or power which can save the global world. Allah sees Qarun, Pharaoh, Haman, and many more for their crime against humanity, and nothing could save them, not even their wealth, power, or people, etc. The world didn't end there, but it redeveloped after a great evolution. Those who have never faced poverty may never understand its solution unless they have really taken guidance from the Quran or have gone for intensive training. It is 100% guaranteed to save the world and to help build our heavenly earth if we truly apply guidance from the Quran. We can redevelop the world through our own great global revolution. In simple terms, no changes without actions. It It is time now to open our eyes and correct ourselves and serve humanity in a revolutionized way in the light of Quran, in which all, including rich and poor, can live safe and sound. Since Quran gives the true revolutionized guidance to fix global system to save humanity in a balanced way. Thank you.